In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create a discount in your Wix store, a feature that can greatly enhance your marketing strategy and incentivize purchases. First, let's dive into where it all begins, accessing the discount feature from your Wix dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the store section. It's from here that you hold the reins, quite literally. You're getting closer to offering alluring discounts that will captivate your customers' attention. Now that you're in the store section, look for the Discounts tab. This is your sandbox for creating offers that can boost sales and keep your customers coming back for more. Click on it, and you'll be presented with options to create and manage all sorts of discounts. For today, we're laser focused on creating a new discount, so find that button and give it a click. It's incredibly straightforward. You'll be led to a page where the magic happens, the new discount page. Here, you have the opportunity to get creative and strategic. It's where you set the boundaries and incentives that make sense for your business and customers. Once you're on the new discount page, you'll see a variety of options. These settings allow you to tailor a discount that perfectly fits your needs. Decide on the type of discount you want to create. Is it a percentage off, a specific dollar amount, or perhaps a free shipping deal? Each has its utility and charm, depending on what you aim to achieve and how you wish to engage your customers. Take a moment to consider what your customers value most and what will effectively drive conversions. As you decide on these specifics, you can also dive into automatic rules. This is where the offer becomes both smart and targeted. Automatic rules help you set conditions for the discounts to trigger automatically at checkout. It's a savvy way to ensure precise targeting without manually adjusting settings for each transaction. You can specify criteria like cart value or product quantity so the discount applies when these conditions are met. This condition-based strategy enhances the customer experience by making them feel they're getting a special deal that matches their purchasing behavior. Once you've settled on the rules and made sure everything aligns with your strategic goals, it's time to save the discount. Click that save button and voila, your discount is ready for action. With this new discount in place, you've added an enticing incentive for potential buyers. It's now part of the arsenal you can rely on to capture more sales and maybe even turn a first-time visitor into a loyal customer. With these steps completed, your new discount is live and seamlessly integrated into your store. Remember, discounts are powerful tools that, when used wisely, can significantly boost your sales and customer engagement. Keep exploring the settings and experimenting with different offers to see what resonates best with your audience. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy selling.